Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei MateBook D14 2021 with i5 11th Gen, and now I want to show you how to add your fingerprint to this device, to unlock your device, to using in other apps your fingerprint. So as you can see, I have the power button here, and my power button is fingerprint button. So if I want to unlock my device, I just need to tap on my power button to scan my fingerprint. But I have not added the fingerprint on my device. So firstly, I need to add my fingerprint to Huawei MateBook D14. To do it, you need to open your Start menu, then open Settings, click Accounts, and choose Sign In Options. Here choose Fingerprint Recognition, and just click Setup, Get Started, confirm your PIN, and just touch the sensor. Just touch it many times to scan on the other sides of your finger. So you need to touch using your primary position of the finger and other positions too. So just touch it many times on the different positions of the finger. All set. Click Close. Lock your device, and now to unlock your device you can enter your PIN or just tap on your fingerprint. Not recognize it? Okay. So try again. Just touch on your fingerprint. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.